Make your building safer and stronger. Setting a new standard in building maintenance. The K Housing. Traditional rooftop waterproofing methods are weak against trapped moisture. This often leads to surface peeling and leaks. The solution? VEHS, the patented breathable sheet waterproofing system. The VEHS system promotes circulation in the substrate, quickly releasing moisture and air pressure to ensure stable waterproofing. The VEHS application is carried out with precision and order. First, the substrate surface is prepared. Next, a primer is evenly applied. Then the breathable sheet is attached. Vents are installed to release trapped moisture. Finally, urethane intermediate and top coats complete the VEHS system. The VEHS breathable sheet overcomes the limitations of traditional methods with its triple-layer structure. This breathable sheet is the core element that circulates moisture and air pressure from the substrate. Unlike older methods that made repairs difficult, VEHS allows smooth maintenance with breathable patches. Moisture circulated through the sheet is expelled through vents, ensuring long-lasting, waterproof performance. With VEHS, rooftop circulation never stops. Proven by patents and validated through numerous projects, VEHS continues to build trust. Breathable waterproofing. Proven technology. VEHS.